Welcome to my channel. Today I'm at my local hunting grounds, Apocalypse in Sittingbourne, and today's mission is to hold the village and stop the enemy from getting explosives. If you like this footage, please like and subscribe to receive future videos. Thanks for watching. My plan here is to scale the tower so I can get a good vantage point to see if I can hold the enemy off. This sniper tower is in a prime location, just off centre to the middle of the village, and gives a great vantage point of the surrounding woodlands. I'm joined by a friendly sniper. We'll team up to see if we can hold the tower.
Okay, there is movement over there as well. I don't know whether that's our team. Keep watching R12!
Hostiles are slowly moving in and using the tree lines as cover.
Got one. Hit! Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're quite close to the size of the barricade, just along in. He's got eyes on me. There's another one this side as well. Jesus! Right. Directly, you're 6. Yeah. I think he spotted me though. Pretty surrounded, there's 2. You got a sidearm? Yeah. Let's pepper him. You ready? Yeah. And count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's loads of them. Got one. 2. There's 2 out down there. Hit! Dead man! Dead man coming down!
My sniper buddy is taken out, and the tower is surrounded by enemies, so I have no choice but to lay low and switch to my Glock as I have no one around me to medic me back in the game. I can hear enemies at the base of the tower, so I make my way over to the ladder to see if I can take them out.
Come on, Blues, I need support over here. You're out, mate. Nice one.
Too many enemies and I couldn't hold them off. I managed to get into the village, so I started working my way around the perimeter to see if I can pick them off one by one. Well, that's the end of this week's gameplay. We managed to stop the enemy from getting explosives and hold the village. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to receive future videos. Thank you all for watching. Catch you all next time.